Okay.
All right.
It's the midterm.
No. No. Just say no.
Welcome to Data Mining Jeopardy, where we find out who knows the most about prediction. On my left is the School of Computing, smarting from last year's defeat at the hands of the rest of the world, and therefore largely absent. On my right is the winners from last year, the rest of the world. As you know, this is the game where you answer the questions with a question. And we had a toss before most of you arrived, and the School of Computing is going to control the board from the beginning. Let's see what our topics are.
This looks pretty legit. Yeah, this is pretty legit.
Okay, and here are the topics. Basic data mining, data preparation, decision trees, neural networks, support vector machines. Okay, School of Computing has control of the board. What do you select?
Yeah, go ahead.
Neural networks for 100, please.
Neural networks for 100. The values used to change the impact of attribute values. Just whatever, make a noise, okay?
What are weightings?
Okay, what are weights? Yes, you get the points. And
no way to buzz in.
well, just make a noise.
Play Jeopardy.
You can do a buzz.
Buzz.
A buzz. Okay, the rest of the world has control of the board. What do you choose?
Neural networks for 200.
Neural networks for 200. The key function that determines how a neuron's output depends on its input.
What is the activation function?
What is the threshold function?
Ooh.
Ooh, I'll give you the points. I'm nice that way. Okay, you still have the board.
Okay, neural network for 300.
Okay.
I just need an answer.
The number of output neurons required for a 3-class problem.
What is 2?
You guys just say buzz.
There you go.
Say buzz.
You still have the board. Once again, the rest of the world streaks ahead.
Neural networks 400, please.
Daily double.
Oh, no.
Wager everything.
How many points do you have? You have 600. How many are you wagering?
All of them.
All of them.
Neural
All
networks.
of them.
Well, we're beating them by like everything.
You want to make sure to the double? Go for it.
So how much are you wagering?
Daily doubles.
600.
600.
Double.
Okay. The name of the algorithm used to train neural networks.
Oh, buzz.
They have to guess.
They have to get it.
Oh.
Damn it.
Oh, and they didn't get it. What is back propagation?
So they lose everything?
No, yeah, they lose that. So you're back level. You're still in the game.
Yeah.
Okay, but you guys still control the board, right?
Yeah. 500, I guess.
Oh, 500. Such bravery. Whoops.
There isn't gonna be
A plausible number of hidden nodes when there are 256 attributes. Buzzing? No. What is 16? Okay, you still have the board. Rest of the world, what would you like to go for?
Basic, come on, Basic 500.
Basic. You want to go basic?
Basic.
Okay. All right. The name of an overall process for data mining.
What is a model?
Nope.
Lost 500 points.
What is CRISP?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so you still have it over here?
Is it just so obviously a square number?
Oh, it's 500? Oh, cool.
Yeah.
I knew it was 500.
You guys have the board.
Come on, pick somebody. Roll even.
That's
Why don't we go back down? Yeah, basically 400.
Basic for 400? Okay. A way of judging error rates by class.
Buzz in.
Boo, boo, boo. Aw.
What is a confusion matrix?
Oh.
Still over there.
Better at regular Jeopardy.
Yeah.
300? When you're on a bad thing, stick to it. Prediction of a target class.
Predictor? Prediction.
Are you buzzing in?
No. I just said prediction.
What is classification?
It's
It's so easy.
better if you ask the question.
Still over here.
200.
200? Okay. Prediction of a numerical value.
What is, oh God, I remember my English.
What is
sucks.
regression? There
Yeah,
you go.
regression.
Okay, so you actually get some points on the board over here, right? And your choice again?
100.
100. Okay. Attributes for the finite range of values.
What are discrete attributes?
You didn't buzz.
Oh,
It's fine, it's fine.
That's the wrong answer.
He didn't buzz. You don't lose 100.
He didn't buzz.
Can I
Still
take-
over here. Everyone.
We're good.
Okay.
Can I take out my notebook?
No, it's a midterm. You can't have a notebook. Okay, it's still over here.
Because mine is 500.
Decision trees for.
Oh, data pack for 100.
Oh, data prep for 100. Okay. Whoops, missed. Missing values when the pattern of missing locations is unrelated to the data values.
Buzz, what is random?
Mm, what is missing at random, I'll give it to you.
Yeah.
Oh.
Good.
Okay, you still have the board.
200.
200?
I don't know.
Same category?
Yeah, why not?
Okay. A sample that systematically misrepresents the data it's taken from.
There's a bias sample.
Oh, you didn't buzz in and you missed it. Okay. Next choice.
300.
Okay, let's not all be hearing from the same people. Running a model repeatedly with different partitions of the training and test set.
Buzz, what is cross-validation?
There you go. What is cross-validation? That's the points. Still with you.
Answers. 400.
Okay. A way of turning numerical
Buzz,
attributes into.
What
Okay.
is discretization?
Damn it.
Dude, just say buzz every time.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I didn't even get a chance to finish reading.
Okay.
I knew what it was, but I didn't.
Still over here.
So I was like,
Still over here.
500.
500. Okay. A fraction of time spent cleaning and preparing the data in a typical data mining project.
Buzz, what is 80 to 90%?
Look at that. Mind reader. Okay.
They spend more time selecting their questions than they do answering.
Still over here.
I swear.
Hmm?
Anyone? Sport factory for 100.
Okay. The name of the separating function. No. And you have to has to be a question anyway. The maximum separating hyperplane, maximum marginal separator I would have given you. Still over here, total control of the board with the rest of the world.
200.
200, okay, same category. The objects that are most important in defining the separator.
What are support vectors?
There you go. And 300. Okay, a function that corresponds to an inner product in a high dimensional space.
a buzz, a dot product.
Nope. What is a
What was
kernel?
that? 300? Oh, yeah, minus 800.
Over here still.
400?
Okay.
Let's just get the last part.
The complexity of the optimization problem that underlies SVMs. What is quadratic? Still with you.
Yeah, 500.
Symbol for the parameter that specifies how much slack is to be allowed.
Buzz.
19, and you said it.
What is C?
Constant.
I was gonna say like,
Who did their own exercise sheet last week?
Downer.
Still with you guys.
Decision for again minus 4, 500 again.
Okay, a technique that learns a one-level decision tree.
What is 1R?
What is 1R? There you go. 200. An assumption that makes using Bayes' rule practical.
You got the independent. Yeah.
What is normality?
Yeah, I don't know if I should give you that. What's the naive Bayes assumption? I guess that's what it is. Okay, fair enough.
Can't we get there?
300. The process of reducing a decision tree's size.
What is pruning?
What is pruning? There you go. 400. A splitting function used to choose an attribute for a decision tree node. What is information gain, information gain ratio? Oh, you could have had a V8. And finally, for 500, two techniques that reduce the size of a decision tree.
Just say it. Just do it.
Subtree replacement and subtree razor. So at the end of that round, the scores are.
I have mine. It's negative 1,300.
Okay.
oh god.
2,300.
2,300. Okay.
Can we borrow some points? No?
Okay, so now we go to Final Jeopardy So just to make it fair, I'll give you both 2,300, you said, as your possible wager size, okay? So now you get to write down what you're going to wager.
What's the category?
Oh yeah, they've got to tell you the category. Okay, choosing the right technique.
Yeah, do it. Do it out.
No, that's the whole point. We can do this. Okay. What do we have to lose?
Yeah, your choice is fine.
So is this actually getting more or no?
No. The winning team has home field
I don't know how
advantage.
long it's lost us a lot of points.
What does that mean?
I leave that to the
What
team.
does it mean in baseball?
It means they get to go to their house to take the final.
Have you agreed upon your wager? Committee of other rest of the world over there?
I'm curious.
Okay, everyone's got their wager in?
Just guarantee there's not gonna be.
there is.
Everyone's got their wager down?
Just put 2,300.
No, I'm wagering it all. Wagering it all.
Yeah.
Wagering it all.
Wagering it all.
Okay.
Done.
Everyone's happy? All right, here's the question. The best way to do attribute selection in practice. Now we'll sing the song to ourselves.
It's also not good.
Whisper, whisper.
We're not team.
Actually, something.
Is it what you thought as well?
Yeah, I know.
Tum, ta-dum, tum, tum. Okay, School of Computing. How much did you wager?
We wagered everything.
2,300. And what was your answer?
Random forest trees.
And that is the right answer. Rest of the world, you wagered how much?
300.
And
Random
you
forest.
also wrote random forest. Well done. So that means that our final scores are
Wow, faked.
4,600 to 2,600.
yes. So once again, the rest of the world defeats the School of Computing in an ignominious fashion
4,600 for them.
by us.
And 2,600.
Because they only wagered 300.
Yeah, we
Oh,
wagered
that's right. Yes,
everyone.
you're right. Yes, you're right.
Yeah,
You're
but
right.
it was a negative number.
Yes, then you did just subtract your negative
But
number.
we're still ahead.
Yeah, we would.
You still win. Okay. So once again,
School computing.
School
wins.
computing.
Yeah.
Woo!
Shit to win.
Yeah. So those of
Oh,
you
you
who
made
missed
that up.
the
I
easy
didn't.
questions will know that you have some work to do to review the first half of this course. Thank you for your participation. The winners go away with a wonderful basket full of gifts, which are non-existent. And we thank Dave Dove for filming this. Wherever you're sitting now, that's where you'll be on the DVD.
Oh, good.